Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to the channel. On this episode of RC Terminator, we're going to take that thing out to the skate park. And this one we got the upgraded pinion gear, and we're running not one, but two of the 5200 100C discharge batteries. So 6S, they're 100C each discharge batteries, and we're going to see how this thing rock and rolls. Let's get on to it. God. I don't know, that was cool. I enjoyed that. A little bit wet. I mean, it just got done raining, so it was slick out there. It was almost like ice. I actually enjoyed myself. I said the heck with the donuts. I want to do some backflips this time. And I almost turned a double backflip on that. You know, you see my run up was way shorter. That truck is real responsive. But the only downfall that I have with it is the ESC motor gets fire hot. Definitely not a battery issue, because I ended up changing over and put my 50C discharge batteries in and did the identical thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it back down to the off-road gearing, just so I can save wear and tear on everything on my electronics. I just think that's just the biggest issue is the heat. But all in all, definite awesome truck. I love it. Love bashing that thing. This thing flies like an eagle, man. Awesome jumping truck. Smooth flying. You see, I mean, I beat this truck and it comes back for more. It's happy. So 2 thumbs up, man, if you can on this video, please. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do so now. Don't forget the notification bell. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I've got some good stuff coming up here in the near future. Drag car. Got that coming up and you guys are going to love that. Until next time. Catch you guys later. Thanks for tuning in.